Ahnya, what are you doing?
I'm making a huge tray.
Let me see the train. Ooh, that's very nice train. You
Going
did a
round,
very
round,
good
round,
job.
round, round. So this is the engine. This is the engine. Close up.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be a large engine.
Oh my God, it's gonna be large engine.
It's gonna be around the glass table. And the brakes.
Ooh.
Let's start again. To make it
Ooh.
large. Large, 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 large.
Ooh, I like your train. It's a choo-choo train?
Yes. A choo-choo.
Can you say it again? Oh my God.
Oh my
She
God.
broke the train. Daddy, she broke the train.
What?
Just move it up a little bit. So you can put one more. Here.
This is the guy who's gonna get dead. Yes, Big.
That's a passenger's?
Yeah, those are passengers.
Daddy, passenger sitting in there too.
No, the passengers are standing up to say go, 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 go.
Oh yeah?
The trains keep going and going and going.
Okay.
Going around, round, round, around. Give me more.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, the last one.
Okay. Engine. 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 The engine. The engine.
Ooh.
It's complete!
Daddy.
Daddy!
Whoa, that looks so cool. Oh my
Now we
goodness.
push it in place. Then we start again.
Okay. Oh, Ahnya, you're gonna lost them.
Okay.
You don't want to do that. Why are you breaking the train?
Because I'm going to start over.
Are you gonna restart it a bit? Ahnya, you build a nice train and you're breaking right now.
Because I'm going to try it again. Break that engine.
Ahnya, don't lose them. It's gonna go underneath the thing.
One keep under. Keep around and around and around. Maybe this.
Why don't you just leave it on the table, and then it's easier for you to pick it up and rebuild it.
But the engines, guys, I get it.
Okay.